Good morning, everyone. My name is Pehet Dugul, and I study in grade 1 in Birla Open Minds International School. Today, I am presenting Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was a great political leader and famous freedom fighter of India. He was the second Prime Minister after India got independence. He was born on 2nd October 1904. Shastri Ji was very close to Jawaharlal Nehru. Shastri Ji gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. It made everyone in India united together. It promoted the White Revolution and increased the supply of milk. Shastri Ji, he was a man of peace and died on 11th January 1966. Shastri Ji will always be remembered for his honesty and contribution towards the nation. Thank you. Jai Hind. Happy Republic Day.